Belgium is known for its delicious chocolate and is home to over 2,000 chocolate shops. It is also famous for its beer culture, with over 1,500 different types of beer produced in the country. Belgium is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system. The country is divided into 3 regions: Flanders, Wallonia, and Brussels Capital Region. Brussels, the capital of Belgium, is also the capital of the European Union. Belgium is known for its picturesque medieval towns, such as Bruges and Ghent. The country has 3 official languages: Dutch, French, and German. The Belgian waffle is a popular street food in Belgium, often served with chocolate sauce or whipped cream. The Atomium in Brussels is a unique building shaped like a giant atom, originally constructed for the 1958 World's Fair. Belgium is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Grand Place in Brussels and the Belfries of Belgium. The country has a high standard of living and is known for its excellent healthcare system. Belgians are known for their love of cycling, with the country hosting several major cycling races each year. French fries are believed to have originated in Belgium and are often served with mayonnaise. The Battle of Waterloo, where Napoleon was defeated in 1815, took place in Belgium. Belgium is one of the most densely populated countries in Europe. The country is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system. The Mannequin Peace statue in Brussels is a famous landmark depicting a young boy urinating. Belgium is known for its comic book culture, with characters like Tintin and the Smurfs originating in the country. The Ardennes Forest in Belgium is a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking and kayaking. The country has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, with lace making and beer brewing being popular artisanal industries. Belgium is home to several international organizations, including NATO and the World Customs Organization. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with famous artists such as René Magritte and Peter Paul Rubens hailing from Belgium. The Royal Palace of Laeken in Brussels is the official residence of the Belgian royal family. The Belgian flag is black, yellow, and red, representing the coat of arms of the former Duchy of Brabant. Belgium has a liberal attitude towards LGBTQ rights, becoming the second country in the world to legalize same-sex marriage in 2003. The country has a strong tradition of fine dining, with Belgian cuisine known for dishes such as moles frites, mussels and fries, and carbonade flamanda, beef stew. The Mannequin Peace statue in Brussels is a symbol of the city and has over 900 outfits. The country has a tradition of brewing Trappist beers by monks in monasteries. Belgium has over 1,000 chocolate shops, producing some of the world's finest chocolates. The Royal Palace of Laeken in Brussels is the official residence of the Belgian royal family. Belgium is known for its high-quality fashion designers, such as Dries van Noten and De Meulemeester. The country has a tradition of celebrating Carnival, with elaborate parades and costumes. The Ardennes Forest in Belgium is known for its beautiful landscapes and outdoor activities. Belgium produces 220,000 tons of chocolate annually, making it the largest chocolate exporter in the world. The country has over 30 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the belfries of Belgium and France. Belgium has more comic book artists per square kilometer than any other country in the world. The Duchess potatoes dish originated in Belgium, named after the Duke of Burgundy. The country has more breweries per capita than any other country in the world. Belgium is known for its strong cycling culture and hosts several major cycling races. The Mercator projection map was created in Belgium in the 16th century by cartographer Gerardus Mercator. Belgium is home to one of the oldest zoos in the world, the Antwerp Zoo. The country has a tradition of producing fine lace, particularly in the city of Bruges. Belgium is known for its comic strip murals, with over 50 scattered throughout Brussels. The country has a rich history of beer brewing, dating back to the Middle Ages. Belgium produces over 1,500 different varieties of beer, including lambics and saisons. The country is famous for its strong sense of national identity and regional diversity. The Belgian coastline is known for its beautiful sandy beaches and dunes. Belgium is home to the second largest port in Europe, the Port of Antwerp. The country is known for its picturesque canals, particularly in the city of Bruges. Belgium is one of the founding members of the European Union. The city of Brussels is home to the world's largest court of justice, the European Court of Justice. Belgium has a tradition of creating intricate floral designs, known as floral carpet festivals. The country is known for its delicious mussels, typically served with frites. The Ghent altarpiece, painted by Jan van Eyck, is considered one of the most important works of art in Belgium. Belgium is known for its stunning architecture, including medieval castles and Art Nouveau buildings. The city of Antwerp is known for its vibrant fashion scene and diamond district. Belgium is a top producer of high-quality fashion textiles, such as linen and lace. The country has a tradition of hosting world-class music festivals, such as Tomorrowland. Belgium is known for its vibrant street art scene, particularly in cities like Ghent and Brussels. The country is famous for its traditional folk music, such as waltzes and polkas. Belgium is home to several prestigious art museums, such as the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium. The country has a strong tradition of puppet theater, with performances for both children and adults. Belgium is known for its rich architectural heritage, with buildings dating back to the Middle Ages.